and treats lawyer. Thunyiwe bashilo ukuthi awufuni kodwa bathi nje lithando bese selikwenisa nje lelinye bathi nje kubo konke lo ngithumile ukuthi ngikutshele ukuthi uyakuthanda kakhulu uyabonga nokuthi umbekedelele leti gwegelanayo and then uyafisa ukuthi kwala emhlabeni kunganihlukanisi anihlukaniswe ukuthi mhlambe mbonye wenu sokukhunjulwa ngumdala bathi ube nelanga lelihle happy birthday.
What is a birthday without a cake?
How's a birthday without a cake?
What is a birthday without a cake, baby?
Oh.
Okay, ngiyati ukuthi Bhuti Ali ukhona la. Ufuna kuthini kuye? So njengoba kunje uthite wena ufuna drum.
Eish. Ngilobona nothanda mara. Okay, this is not what I was expecting.
Okay.
And then I've been receiving gifts from yesterday.
Wow.
I was saying it's a mara. Yo, okay. I'm lost of words actually. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Eish.
Siyabonga.